What's happening? What's happening, everybody out there? Today is January. Yes, indeed, January 3rd, 2022, Monday morning. Just got my new key machine, DHL delivery. The new key machine, 2M2 Magic Tank key cutting machine. This a bad boy right here, number B. This number B here, it cut every key it is that I can think of. Yes, indeed. Yeah, that's what I got. This here, it cut house keys, regular keys. It cut laser cut keys. It do everything. Am I the only American man have this key machine in the United States right now? Come on, y'all. Let's do this. Let's get it. Let's get it. There's a lot of videos out there. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I'm going to make some more videos of it. That's the power cord and stuff. All this here, the power cord. All this here come with it. Everything, to get the job did, I'm Jake, Locksmith Services.Jacksonville, Florida, USA, United States of America. You get all this here, You get all this with it. Yeah, a little shield, some extra wires if something go wrong one day in the future. Y'all want to see me undress that son gun? Y'all want to see me undress her? Y'all want to see me undress her? I'm finna undress her. 2M2 Magic Tank key cutting machine. There you go, right there. I undressed her right in front of all y'all. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna make another video. Like all the stuff right there, the box and all that came today. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm supposed to be happy. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna crank up in a minute, put it together, y'all. I'm gonna make another one. Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. Happy New Year's 2022.